In this video, I will demonstrate how to hide the feature collection section on the cart page in Shopify. So first of all, make sure to be logged into your Shopify admin account, and then click on Online Store, then click on Themes. Then look for your active theme, in my case it's Dawn, and then select Customize. Once the editor loads, at the top in the drop-down section, select Cart, and then click on the Feature Collection. So now we have two options. If you wish to fully delete the section, you can just click Remove the section and it will delete all the changes. But if you wish to just temporarily hide it from your website, you can just click on the Feature Collection and then click on the eye icon. It will hide the section, but all the customizations are still going to be available should you ever wish to unhide it. So I'll hide it for the purpose of this example and then click Save. Now let me go to my site and refresh the page. And as you can see, the feature collection section is no longer visible. And if I wish to unhide it, let me just go ahead and click on the eye icon and then save. And once again, let's refresh the page and now it's visible. So I hope you found the short tip useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.